Greg from RVHaulers. It's Friday and it's time for an update for Mark. Oh, wait till it's quiet. I forgot my microphone today. Let's try that again. It's not going to work. Hi, I'm Greg from RVHaulers and it's Friday and it's time for an update for Mark, the owner of Top Street. The bed behind me is destined for dusty. And we're right at the point where we're starting to clean up the sides and get ready for checker plate up top. So one of the unique accommodations we had to make for this bed was Dusty has a special ET Senior hitch with a trailer ball, gooseneck ball on it. So if you look at this gap here, this is a much longer distance than we normally have because the gooseneck ball is right in this position. You'll also see is we had to do some customizations on the rear end. So this has been brought down further because a gooseneck comes in at a lower height than a fifth wheel comes in to connect to the fifth wheel plate. So it's changed a few of the optics here a little bit. We've got a longer slope, and of course we've got that notch in the back of the bed to accommodate the gooseneck would come in and drop on top of the 2 5/16 inch ball. Something you'll see that's changed on is we're working a little bit more at trying to keep everything straight. So you'll see that while the bed is in this condition, we've got this extra piece of channel on the top, just temporarily tacked there to keep things from bending and warping. Same with that bar that goes across the bottom. Always one to listen to my customers and past customers. I've had the comment that they really didn't like the way that the 3 marker lights in the back of the bed work. So Mr. Jack Mayer, I want to report that I've listened. See, I'm listening. And we changed the way that we've done those lights. We no longer have a surface box. We brought this steel plate out just a tiny bit so I have the clearance in the back to put the marker lights on. Mark, there's your update for this Friday afternoon. We're expecting the checker plate's going to be here on Monday. We're going to get that cut and put in place. I expect we should be able to take this bed for paint mid next week, probably 4 or 5 working days away from today. I'm Greg from RVHaulers and I love my job. What a great way to end a Friday with such a great update. If you have any questions about our RVHaulers or our bed builds, you know how to reach us at www.rvhaulers.ca. Hopefully you can hear me. Have a good weekend.